Ever thought about building your own gaming PC? It's a thrilling journey, filled with personal touches and a sense of accomplishment. With a custom PC, you have the power to tailor performance to your gaming style, to control your budget, and to learn about the inner workings of the tech that fuels your passion. It's not just about having a machine, it's about creating an experience. So, gear up because we're about to embark on an exciting adventure. Are you ready to dive into the world of custom gaming PCs? Before you start collecting parts, you need to understand what you want from your gaming PC. This isn't about brand loyalty or aesthetics, but about what games you want to play, how you want them to look, and how they should perform. Are you into fast-paced FPS games, or do you gravitate more towards detailed RPGs? Each genre has its own demands, and your PC needs to be tailored to meet these. The graphics settings you desire is also a determining factor. If you're aiming for ultra-high settings or VR capabilities, you'll require a more powerful setup. Performance expectations are crucial as well. Are you content with a smooth 60 frames per second, or are you aiming for the sky with 144 FPS or even higher? Remember, your ambition dictates your budget and the complexity of your build. Knowing what you want from your gaming PC will guide you in choosing the right components. Now that you know your gaming needs, it's time to choose the right components. Let's start with the heart of your gaming PC, the processor, or CPU. This little piece of silicon is responsible for executing every command that your game throws at it. A faster processor means smoother gameplay and better performance. If you're into high-end gaming, you might want to consider a quad-core or even an octa-core processor. Next up, the graphics card or GPU. This is the component that renders all the stunning visuals in your game. For an immersive gaming experience, you'll need a powerful GPU. But remember, more power means more heat, so make sure your case has adequate cooling. Now let's talk about memory, or RAM. This is where your PC stores data that it needs to access quickly. In gaming terms, more RAM means faster load times and smoother gameplay. 8 GB is the bare minimum for gaming these days, but 16 GB is becoming the new standard. Moving on to storage, you have two main options: hard drives and solid-state drives. Hard drives offer more storage for less money but are slower. Solid-state drives, or SSDs, are faster but more expensive. If you can afford it, an SSD is a great investment for a gaming PC. Next, the power supply. This is what keeps all your components running. Don't skimp on this part. A reliable power supply will protect your components from power surges and ensure stable performance. Finally, the case. This is where all your components will live. Choose a case that has good airflow, enough space for all your components, and of course, looks cool. Choosing the right components is a crucial step in building your gaming PC. So, take your time, do your research, and remember, the most important thing is to build a PC that suits your gaming needs and budget. With all the components in hand, you're ready to build your gaming PC. The assembly process is a bit like putting together a puzzle. Each piece has a place where it fits perfectly. Your motherboard and case manuals are your best friends here, providing step-by-step instructions on where and how each component should be installed. Remember, compatibility is key. Every component should be compatible with your motherboard, from the processor to the RAM modules. Also, take precautions to avoid damaging the parts. Static electricity, for instance, can harm delicate components. A simple precaution is to ground yourself by touching a metal part of the case before handling components. As you assemble, be patient. Don't force anything into place. If a component doesn't fit, double-check you're putting it in the right place and in the correct orientation. With patience and careful assembly, you'll have your gaming PC up and running. The journey might be complex, but the reward of a personalized gaming PC is worth every moment. Building a gaming PC may seem daunting, but with the right knowledge and preparation, it's a rewarding experience. Remember, it all starts with understanding your gaming needs. Then, choosing the right components becomes easier, and you're one step closer to your dream machine. Finally, the assembly process, though it requires patience, is where all your plans come to fruition. So, are you ready to build your own gaming PC? The gaming world awaits you.